Hello friends, alligation and mixture part 2. Question number 1. In the mixture of three varieties of tea, the ratio of their weights is 4:5 ratio 85 kg of the first variety, 10 kg tea of the second variety, and some quantity of tea of the third variety are added to the mixture. The ratio of the weights three varieties of tea becomes 5:7:9 in the final mixture. What is the quantity of the third variety of tea? 4:5:8 first variety and second variety. 4 and 5 x plus 5 kg and plus 10 kg ratio 5 7 9 5 and 7 5 and 7 सॉल्व करेंगे 4x 7 4 28 7 5 35 5 5 25 plus 50 28x minus 25x is equal to 50 minus 35 15 3x x is equal to 5 5x is equal to 5. So this ratio is 5 4 20 5 5 25 and 5 8 40. Weight of three variety सेकंड वैरायटी 25 थर्ड वैरायटी 40 25 में 10 प्लस करेंगे एंड थर्ड वैरायटी में x सम क्वांटिटी एडेड इज इक्वल टू रेशियो बिकम 7 9 इज इक्वल टू 35 डिवाइड बाई 40 प्लस x इज इक्वल टू 7 बाई 9 7 5 जा 9 5 जा 45 40 plus x is equal to 45. X is 5. 5 multiplied by 9. 9 multiplied 5 is equal to 45. 45 kg. Now the weight of third variety of tea is 45 kg. चलते क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड पे. क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड है, an alloy contains ABC ratio 1:6 and 5. Another alloy contains ABC in the ratio 5 22 and 9. If equal quantity of these two alloy are melted together to form a third alloy, what will be weight of B per kg in new alloy? 1 6 and 5 5 22 and 9 is equal to प्लस करेंगे 6 and 6 12 22 and 14 36. इक्वल क्वांटिटीज़ के लिए 36, तो ये भी 36 होना चाहिए. इसके लिए मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3 3 1 3 3 6 18 3 5 जा 15 5 22 and 9 इक्वल क्वांटिटीज़. द 36 and 36 72 and weight of B 18 plus 22 is equal to 40 by 72 8 5 जा 8 9 जा 5 by 9 per kg is the answer. चलते क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 पे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 3 containers XYZ are full of having mixtures of milk and water. The ratio 1:5 3:5 and 5:7 respectively. Capacity of 3 containers are in the ratio 5:5. Find the ratio of the milk to water if all the 3 containers are mixed together. Milk and water. Milk ratio of milk and water 5 multiply 1 total 6 1/6 plus 4 multiply 3 by 8 plus 5 multiply 5 by 12 ratio 5 multiply 5 by 6 plus 4 multiply 5 by 8 plus 5 multiply 7 by 12. सॉल्व करेंगे 4 2 जा and 4 2 जा 5 by 6 plus 3 by 2 plus 5 5 25 25 by 12 5 5 25 25 by 6 plus 5 by 2 plus 5 7 35 35 by 12. एलसीएम लेंगे 12 5 2 जा 10 3 6 18 and 25 12 25 2 50 5 6 30 and 35 12 से 10 कैंसिल प्लस करेंगे 53 and 115 53 रेशियो 115 इज द आंसर। चलते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 पे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, ए बॉलर एवरेज 16.8 runs per wicket in the next inning. He takes 20 wickets and gives 80 runs, so his average is reduced to 0.8 runs per wicket. Find the total wicket at present. 16.8 bowling average is equal to runs divided by wicket is equal to runs 80 and divide by 20. 4 is the bowling average for next innings. 4 is the next average. Average is reduced to 0.8. 16 minus 0.8 16 माइनस करेंगे 16.8 minus 16 0.8 16 minus 4 12 120 and 8 ratio 8 15 ratio 1 is the ratio of wickets. Wicket in next innings is 1 represent करेगा 20 को। total wicket at present 15 and 1 16 and 1 unit is 20 multiplied by 20 16 to 32 320 wickets at present. चलते क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 पे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, हाउ मैनी किलोग्राम ऑफ शुगर कॉस्टिंग ₹5.75 per kg should be mixed with 75 kilogram of cheapest sugar costing ₹4.5 per kg so that the mixture sold at the rate 6.60 per kg to earn 20% profit. 20% is equal to 1.5 6.6 divided by 6 and multiply by 5 1.1 multiply by 5 5.5 5.5 is the average. 5.75 4.5 माइनस करेंगे 5.75 minus 5.5 0.25 5.5 minus 4.5 125 25 4 the 4 ratio 1 is the ratio of quantity of these two types of sugar. 1 unit is equal to 75 kg. 5.75 per kg sugar quantity is equal to 4 multiply 75 multiply by 4 300 kg is the answer. चलते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 पे। Question number 6, the ratio of land and water in the whole world is 1:2. If this ratio in the northern hemisphere is 2:3, then what is the ratio of land and water in the southern hemisphere? 2/5 northern hemisphere, 1/3 x for southern hemisphere, 2/5 minus 1/3 2/5 minus 1/3 is equal to 15 6 minus 5 is equal to 1/15 1/3 minus x northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere quantity equal, so value of x is equal to 1/3 minus 1/15 5 minus 1/15 is equal to x, so x is equal to 4/15. Lands and water ratio 4:11. चलते क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 पे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, 2 mixture equal in quantity contain liquid A, B, C in the ratio 13:55:65 and 19:26:34 respectively from first mixture and also from second mixture. 61/4% of A, 55/9% of B and 36/11% of C is taken out. Now the remaining mixture added together. Find new mixtures of liquid ABC. So equal quantity 13 ratio 55 ratio 65, 19 ratio 26 ratio 34. So total is 19 and 13 32, 55 and 26 81, 65 and 34 99. This is the total ratio of ABC. 6 ratio 1 by 4% is equal to 1 by 16. 55 5 by 9% is equal to 5 by 9. And 36 4 by 11% is equal to 4 by 11. 1 by 16 part taken out, so remaining is 15 by 16, and this remaining is 4 by 9, and in this remaining is 7 by 11. A ratio B ratio C. 32 multiplied by 15 by 16, 81 multiplied by 4 by 9 ratio 99 multiplied by 7 by 11 is equal to 16 2 ja 9 9 ja 11 9 ja 15 2 ja 30, 9 4 ja 36, 9 7 ja 63, divided by 3, 10 12 21. 10 ratio 12 ratio 21 is the आंसर. चलते क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 पे. Question number 8. 24 liters of milk and water mixture contains milk and water in the ratio 3:5. What liters of the mixture should be taken out and replaced with pure milk so that the final mixture contains milk and water in the ratio 7:5? 3:5, 7:5 equal to 3 5 8 and 7 5 12. Total quantity of mixture is 24. Multiply by 3 and multiply by 2. 24, 24. 3 3 is 9. 5 3 is 15. 7 2 is 14. 5 2 is 10. Formula apply करेंगे. 1 minus total is 24. Milk and water. Quantity of water before and after. Before 15 and after 10. Before 15 and after 10. 5 3 ja 5 2 ja. X by 24 is equal to 1 minus 2 by 3. 1 by 3 is equal to x by 24. 3 8 ja x is equal to 8. So 8 liter is the answer. चलते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 पे. Question number 9. A container contains 64 liters of pure milk. 1/4 of the milk is replaced by water. Again, the operation performed and 1/4 of the mixture is replaced by water. Find the final ratio of milk and water in the container. Quantity of milk after all operation is equal to total 64. 1 minus 1 by 4th time 4 power 2 is equal to 64. 3 by 4 power 2. 64 multiplied by 9 and 16. 16 4 ja 9 4 36. 36 liter is the quantity of milk. Quantity of water is equal to 64 minus 36 is equal to 28. Liter ratio is equal to 36 and 28. कैंसिल करेंगे 4 से. 4 9 ja and 4 7 ja 9:7. 9:7 is the answer. चलते क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 पे. Question number 10. How much milk costing rupees 60 per liter should be mixed with 35 liters of milk costing rupees 84 per liter so that there is a profit of 50% on selling the mixture at rupees 111 per liter? 50% is equal to 1 by 2. 111 Selling price is 213, multiplied by 2 is the cost price. So this is the CP. 3 3 is 9 and 3 7 is 37, multiplied by 2 74. 60 per liter and 84 per liter. 74 is the CP. माइनस करेंगे, -60 14, 84 - 74 10, रेशियो 2 7 and 2 5 5 रेशियो 7. 7 is equal to 35. 7 5 1 unit is equal to 5. Quantity of milk reached 60 is quantity of milk rupees 60 per liter is equal to 5. 1 unit is equal to 5, multiply by 5. 5 5 25. 25 लीटर इज द आंसर. ओके फ्रेंड्स, मिलता है नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.